Mwah. Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. It is I, Erin, and today I've been joined by a new friend. Or is it a new enemy? I guess you'll just have to keep watching to see how I feel about this Estée Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Camouflage Makeup for face and body, broad spectrum, 15 SPF. Do I love it? Do I hate it? Keep watching to find out. My allergies are going nuts as per usual, so if I'm sniffling, I am so not sorry. We're gonna have some little hazy little thing IPA today from Sierra Nevada. I love this beer. We'll drink it. Cool, delicious, delicious. We're gonna try the Estée Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Camouflage Makeup Face and Body Broad Spectrum SPF. I just spit on myself. SPF 15. This is in 1N1 Ivory Nude. This is what the component looks like. I don't know if you should shake it, but I'm shaking it. So here we go. It's sealed. I love that. Color's like barely dark, but it's not the most horrific thing I've ever seen. I'm gonna blend it with my Y6 brush from Morphe. Okay, it is a little bit dark, but not like horrific. I think it's also slightly scented. It says that a little of this goes a long way. Which we're gonna find out, aren't we? I mean, it's covering my whole life. It's covering my whole existence. It's not itching yet, which is also a plus. Wow. Okay. When they say camouflage, they're not kidding. Like, where'd my skin go? It's gone. Well, we all like it when something lives up to its claim. It's a plus. It feels heavy. I'm not gonna lie about that. It does feel pretty heavy. We're gonna go into our contour and blush kit from BH and go in with that white shade, of course. That's just how we do it, guys. That is how we do it. We're just gonna use a clean, Wet n Wild powder brush. At least we're gonna hope and assume it's clean. Got foundation all in my hair. Okay, gotta be more careful about that next time. I don't know how I did that. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but I dropped this, caught it with my elbow, and threw it onto my desk. That was great. This shade and this shade are not the same shade, guys. Not even a little bit. It's like it's almost too pink, which is weird for me. Usually foundations are too yellow. Like, it's taken a lot of powder to set. Let's go in with a little airspun / ghost powder to really just get it to that level of set that my foundation usually is. This is like even harder to set than the BH. Ah, I got powder in my eye. Oh, it's terrible. Ugh, the fuck? This is harder to set than the BH Cosmetics liquid foundation, which is like more of a gel formula, so it goes on really thick. And this is, you saw how much powder I put on there. I feel like it's just barely set now. Like, I could go in with another layer, but I don't want it to be so heavy. Okay, so nothing else on top of it. Initial thoughts. I'm kind of loving it, which I was not expecting. Obviously, we're gonna have to see the wear time, but this is like literally, this is what I imagine Dermacol is like. Dermacol is like that world's most high coverage foundation that they use for movies and stuff. Okay, so I'm like highly impressed. Ignore the fact that I got it all up in my hair because I'm an idiot. It looks like I have a little like foundation highlights. Sweet. What is this hand doing? What is it doing? I don't know. So we're gonna go in here with Fawn, which is that center bottom shade there. This is a Wet n Wild blush brush. Okay, deal with it. See, sometimes you can really tell that a foundation is too dark when your normal contour doesn't show up. Let's darken up that contour a little bit. We're gonna go in with Jabba, same brush. I don't do anything too crazy today. It's really about the foundation. There we go. Hi there, Java. What's up? Death and Destruction. I'm gonna go with this H&M blusher in Tawny Peach. Oh, that is legit perfect. Thanks, good job, Erin. Let's hose the face down. Hose it down. So chill. I don't see anything wrong about this at all. Like, my under eye circles are literally almost completely gone. If I really wanted to cake it up and do a concealer over top of it, a foundation. If I really wanted to cake it up and put a concealer over top of my under eyes, like, they wouldn't even exist. Cool. Let me do some highlighting because we love that. I'm going with Sleek, of course. I just want to use this this bronzy shade here. Sweet. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna go do some eye makeup off camera or like speed through it for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna speed through some eye makeup and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. So this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this foundation slash get ready with me first impression situation that we've got going on. So far, this foundation may have just became my new favorite. I absolutely love it. We're gonna do a little bit of wear test. I'm gonna check in a few times. So we'll see you guys in a few hours. Let's do this check-in. It is, I didn't bring my phone, so I can't even show you, but you're just gonna have to believe me. It's been 3 hours. I finished my video filming earlier at 12:30 and it's now 3:30. So it might have been a little bit more than 3 hours. I haven't done anything. I have not sweated. I went outside a little bit to walk the dog, but it was like literally for 5 seconds. So it's probably not gonna be the most accurate wear test that I've ever done in my whole life. So let's take a quick close look up close. In natural lighting, I did take some pictures, so you'll see those on Instagram. My handle will be linked in the description box. My nose has been running all day and I have been blowing it multiple times since I applied this foundation, so maybe the nose is not the best place to look, but it is a place I always look. And one thing that's shocking is that the foundation on the tip of my nose, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not worn off at all, even though I've been blowing my nose. And that's usually where it wears off first. Second would be my chin. It's not bad. It's really not bad. My nose is really the only place having an issue. I did retouch around my mouth, like right literally around there, because I took my lipstick off, as you can see, because I want to have one. Yeah. I'm gonna go watch a little bit more YouTube. The Magicians is on Sci-Fi, because I watch it on the app instead of live on TV, because I just don't have time for that. And I will be back a little bit later. The lighting will probably be artificial at that point because it will be nighttime. but I will try to go somewhere with some good lighting. Maybe I'll have my wife record me in the bathroom or something like that. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Look at this dog. She's looking cute. Tabby! Give it a belly! Give it a belly! Give it! That's it. That's all I get with her face. She's like, I don't know about this. Tuesday sleeping over there. Alright. Time for the final check-in. I feel like it wore off my chin, but I have been eating. My nose worn off a little bit. Again, been blowing my nose. And the texture, like the texture is the thing. It's my teddy bear back there. The texture is the thing. But from far away, it looks really good. I don't know. I'm gonna say overall, I really like this foundation. Let's run enough around my lips too, because I've been wiping my mouth. That's gross. Okay. Overall, I really like this foundation. I'm gonna try it a few different ways, and I will update you guys as I go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes, if I'm feeling spicy, other days. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. It's all at I'm a Pluralist, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!